this was just... Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tazah Stevens. On here is the Tazah Tellique. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do this makeup look. It was some trial and error with a few things. You're gonna see the ups and downs, but I did come up with this look, and if you guys will like it, please stay tuned and keep watching. I'm done with brows. Now I'm gonna do eyes. I'm sorry, I can't look at the camera and do it. Take a beauty blender. Blend out the rest. Oh Lord, this makes my eyes look big as heck. It's pointless to put powder on your lids after you do concealer, because unless you're using cream-based eyeshadow, I feel like it's pointless because you're using eyeshadow, which is powder, so you're already basically setting your eyes. I said I'm gonna do a brown look. I'm just gonna take it. I didn't mean to use this brush. And I'm gonna blend it up. I'm using the color Chip. I don't know if I said it, but Chip. Y'all make me nervous. Why am I blinking so hard? It's not really the color brown I want. I'm going to try the color Central Park in the palette. It's this color right here. Just doing something for me. Since I have really hooded eyes, I have to bring it up really high just to see the damn color, because my lid, once I open my eye, the color is gone unless it's on top of my lid, which I wouldn't say I have a love and hate relationship with. I have a strong hate relationship with it. Having hooded eyes ain't fun. The person who came up with cut crease probably came up or had hooded eyes. Alright. Is this color? This is going to be my transition color. And I'm just blending it out. I still don't know how I feel about it. Is it giving chocolate? I don't think it's giving chocolate. I don't know what it's giving. Let me just do my face. Foundation, I'm using my NARS Natural Radiant Lone Wear Foundation. This has been my go-to foundation, I think, since I started wearing makeup. This is in the color Caracas. I don't know. It's in something. I've got this new foundation, the Dior Forever Skin Glow. But dumb me listening to the Sephora girls who don't ever know. When you go to Sephora and you are a black woman, please don't get help from any other person that's not a black woman when it comes to foundation, because they don't understand. Yes, it may look good on my hand, it may look good on my neck, but it doesn't come together. So this one, it makes my face darker and it makes me look orange. And it's my mama's fault, because yes, I was over there taking 30 minutes trying to find which foundation matched me correctly between these two shades with Dior. And I guess she was getting mad that I was taking forever. So she called the lady over and I'm like, no. And then my behind, you think this one match? Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And I bought it. And when I got home, I was like, I knew it wasn't gonna work. Like, I learned my lesson long before when it comes to people trying to match your foundation. Like, it doesn't work. Like, let me do it. I'd rather figure it out. I'd rather look like the dummy when I go home because I picked something that don't match. And then instead of me putting my trust in one of the workers who piss me off when I go home and it don't look right. But yes. Anyways, let me use my NARS. It has never failed me. This shade, it doesn't get me through the summer. It doesn't get me through the summer. It can get me a little bit through the winter. It's mostly for the fall. This Dior will definitely not get me through the winter. It will not. Real Technique brush. Seamless complexion brush. I don't really like it. I feel like it smears too much. This was just it's giving clown. I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. It's giving Trump. It's giving pumpkin. Okay, let me try and blend this out. I feel like it's giving clown. We're gonna stick with it. It's giving clown. It's definitely giving clown. It's gonna make me cry. Okay, I like to do my contour before I do. I don't know. I'm looking at something off of a scary movie. For contour, that was the Fenty contour stick. Contour. Baby, it take a minute to beat it out now. Concealer. I'm still using the shade Honey. For setting powder, I'm going to use the translucent Honey, Laura Mercier, whatever it's called. Okay, them people don't know me, I don't know them, so I'm not going to try to learn these names. You know, so you can have that sharp. I still think it's giving clown. sign right here. It just looks bad on camera. Yeah, what it looks like. Just look that bad. And then I just used that same brush I was blending out my contour. I don't know why my lips is giving, I don't know, squirrel. I don't know. But, do I want to set my face down? Yeah. Not set it because I don't bake anymore. But definitely need some powder, baby. Like the crackheads, I need some powder. It's very pigmented. You see me or I don't see nothing? I don't know if I'm feeling this look. I don't know. Is it giving what it's supposed to give? It's giving clown. It's giving clown to me. To me. Maybe you too. And so that's rude. You're looking at something around. Just give me the like auntie. I feel like that made my lips really chapped. It really did. Ooh, look at my nails. Oh, really. It's gonna ask you. Just don't give me. Okay, so before we get into the final look, I did add to my lips what I previously had on, which was the brown makeup pencil. I think I got it from the hair store. It was the Ruby Kisses brand. And then I used some lip gloss. This is the lip gloss I use. This is by Makeup Revolution. It came in a pack. It was a few of them. It was in collaboration with, I do not know how to say this. What did I say? Kaylin? Something like that. I'll still link it. And then I added on top this Juvia's Place lip gloss and Kiss Me. That's where this pink come from. Yes, it's giving. But yeah, so this is the final look. If you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.